Hey guys, it's Dylan here. Sorry it's been a little while since I posted. I went on a vacation. When I went on vacation and got back, ended up my father-in-law needed a battery in his 2003 Ml350. So today that's what this video is going to be on. I'm not going to waste any time with an intro and I'm going to get straight to it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm glad to be back at it. Sorry it's not my normal transmission videos, but hopefully it's helpful. Thanks for watching, guys, and on to the video. Looks like it calls for $49.72. 24-month free replacement, 72-month limited warranty.
Okay.
All right, this is the battery we're gonna get. I'm not grabbing it with that hand. It's my bad hand.
God, is that heavy?
Got it. All right, guys, let's see what it's gonna take to get this battery changed out. I think it'll be pretty simple. Looks like it. I'm gonna start by taking this piece out. Then that comes off, and that comes out of the way, and a couple tins, and I'm gonna have it right out. I'm gonna have my wife come and videotape it. All right, these are 10 millimeters, but I had an 8 in my pocket.
See, all those people feed these damn birds all the time, and they're getting really nice and fat, and he loves them. Every now and then I see him flying away with a bird in these
That hawk?
yeah.
All right, once I get this battery out, you can go over and try to get that hawk on video, sweetie.
Yeah, he's a mouse hawk. He's relation to the chicken hawk, but he's a mouse hawk.
Just had to wiggle that cable with one hand and take it out with the other. Then you got it. Battery out of here.
Jesus. Is that hood gonna stay up?
Yeah, you got to move that thing out. There you go. Yeah.
This plastic thing
There's just not a whole lot of room in there for that damn thing. Yeah, slide forwards a little bit. There you go.
That's a 2019.
Hey, it's been 3 years.
We got to compare the batteries before we try to put it in. We don't want to waste our time trying to put a battery too big in.
Looks pretty damn close to me.
Yep. Yeah, me too. I just gotta pull that negative out of the way. Put the positive up. Slide it in there.
Does not want to go. There you
It
go.
goes.
Gotta wiggle it in there a little bit.
What you doing, honey?
I'm trying to get that cable to go back behind the battery so it'll go in place. But it's kind of tight back there. All right,
There you go.
all right. All right. I'm gonna wiggle it some more.
Yeah. There you go.
All right.
Jesus.
Yeah, actually, last time you changed it, it was a lot easier.
All right. We tighten this up with the 8 here in the back.
Is that metric or is that standard?
It's standard. This is an 8.
Okay.
Probably was a 10 at one point.
Yeah, something tells me that isn't the original stuff on there.
That one isn't. Down. Square on this back side.
Jesus, it's freezing. I can't feel my fingers.
Cold.
Mm-hmm.
Get some gloves for you.
I got gloves. I see it pretty much.
All right, there we go. And then this goes
Yeah.
back down here.
Snaps.
Snaps on there.
There you go.
Then we put this wedge back in here.
Yeah.
That holds everything in place.
All right, let's get the fuck inside.
Boom. There we go. We snap this back into place. Like that. And this little seal goes back on here. Keep the battery as warm as possible in this cold Ohio weather.
That goes down a little lower.
Yeah, it slides right down through here.
Yeah.
Don't cut yourself.
All right, here we go. And that snaps like that. All right, let's make sure it starts. I'm gonna try to get a video of this hawk we were talking about. There he is. Let's get a.
Yep, there you go. He did when he
There he is. All right, I got that 2003 ML350 done. The battery changed out. Everything went pretty smooth. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take a couple videos up on the side here. Hopefully you can check them out if you want to watch more. There's a subscribe button. I'd appreciate you go ahead and hit that. Other than that, on to the next one. Thanks for watching.